Welcome dear students. We are here with another video of IGCSE February March 2024. In question number 11, the examiner is asking from you to calculate composition of a function for which he has given you three of function. F of x is defined as 1 over x, g of x is defined as 3x minus 5, where each x is defined as 2 power x. You have to find out the composition. Here g of f at 2 can be calculated as, you have to put this 2 in f in place of x. So what you will get, the value of function fx is 1 over x. You have to substitute x 2 in place of x, so you will get 1 by 2. Furthermore, you have to use function g, in which you have to put 1 by 2 in place of x. This is g function. In place of x, try to put 1 by 2 and solve it. 3 by 2 minus 5. Take LCM. It will be 3 minus 10. That will be minus 7 by 2. This is basically a composition of a 2 function, and composition, after calculating the composition, you have substituted the value 2 in place of x. Now let's move toward the second part. Here you have to find out the inverse of this function. This is just a sample question. He can ask you to find out f inverse or h inverse as well. You have to follow the steps in order to learn how to calculate the inverse of a function. First of all, here you have to keep 2 points in your mind. First of all, g of x is always equals to y. Here put the value, gx is equals to 3x minus 5. Now separate the value of x from this expression. That will be equals to y plus 5. X is equals to y plus 5 by 3. X is basically equals to g inverse of y. Y plus 5 by 3. Simply replace y with x. So you will get your required answer, that is x plus 5 by 3. This was a sample question. Examiner can ask to find out the inverse of f and h as well. Now let's move toward the next part of the question, that is find in its simplest form g at x minus 2. It means you are going to use function g, whereas you have to replace x by x minus 2 in this part. That will be x minus 2 will be equals to 3 into x minus 2 minus 5, 3x minus 6 minus 5. So you will get the simple answer 3x minus 11. Let's move toward the next part. Here the examiner is asking you to find out the value of x while he has given you two different situations. Here you have to use the composition of fg. So first find out the value of composition. F, what is the value of g over here? Here the value of g over here, gx is 3x minus 5, that is equals to 0.1. Now you have to substitute 3x minus 5 in a value of function f, that is 1 over x, so it will become 1 by 3x minus 5 equals to 0.1. Now simply multiply them. You will get 1 by 3x minus 5, 0.1 by 10, cross multiply them. 10 plus 5 is equal to 3, 15 by 3 So the value of x for this part will be 5. You have to find out the next question is, now you have to move toward this part. Here you all ready having the value of h of x. You have to substitute the value h of x 2 power x. The value of g at 7 will be, put 7 in place of x in value of function g. 3 into 7 will be 21. 21 minus 5. Simply put the answer over here. It's 16 equals to 0. So 2 power x is equals to 16. Now try to make exponential laws over here. 2 power 4 is always 16. Cancel the base with each other. So you will get the value of x is equals to 4. Hopefully you have understand each and everything. Keep watching our video. Thank you for watching it.